In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best OBS recording settings for beginners. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, reliable setup that gives you smooth, good-looking recordings without your computer struggling in the background. First, open OBS and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your scenes and sources. Before changing any settings, it's helpful to think about what you're recording. If you're mostly doing screen recordings, tutorials, or simple gameplay, we can keep things straightforward and stable. Now, go down to the bottom right and click on Settings. This is where all your recording controls live. On the left side, click on Output. At the top of this section, you'll see an Output Mode drop-down. Change this to Simple if it isn't already. Simple mode is perfect for beginners because it focuses on the options you actually need without overwhelming you. Under the Recording section, choose where you want your files to be saved by clicking Browse and picking a folder you'll remember, like a dedicated OBS Recordings folder. Keeping all your recordings in one place makes them much easier to find and edit later. Next, choose your recording format. For beginners, MP4 or MKV are common choices. Many people use MP4 because it's widely compatible with editing software and easy to play back. However, MKV can be safer because it's less likely to corrupt if OBS or your computer crashes mid-recording. If you choose MKV, OBS can automatically remux it to MP4 after recording, which you can set up later. Now, let's look at the encoder. If your computer has a dedicated graphics card, you may see options like a hardware encoder. Using a hardware encoder can take the load off your CPU and give smoother performance, especially in games. If you don't see that option, or your computer is older, using the standard software encoder is fine. Just be mindful of how demanding your recordings are. For recording quality, pick a balanced option like high quality, medium file size. This gives you a nice blend of visual clarity and manageable file sizes. Very high-quality presets can look great, but eat up a lot of storage and may stress weaker systems. Next, go to the Video tab. Here you'll see your base, canvas, resolution, and output. Scaled resolution. For most beginners, keeping both at 1920 by 1080 is a good starting point, as long as your monitor and computer can handle it. For frame rate, 30 frames per second is perfectly fine for tutorials and talking head videos. If you're recording gameplay and your system is strong enough, you can go up to 60 frames per second for smoother motion. Once everything is set, click Apply, and then OK. Before recording anything important, do a short test recording of 20 to 30 seconds. Play it back and check both the video smoothness and audio sync. If it looks choppy or your computer feels slow, consider lowering the resolution or frame rate a bit until everything runs smoothly. With these settings, you'll have a beginner-friendly OBS setup that's stable, clear, and ready for your content.